Alright, y'all. We're here again with another video. And before we jump into this video, what I want you to do is take your monkey ass to the links that's in the description. Why? To check out one of my audiobooks. Yeah, my audiobooks that I spent a fucking eternity working on. Yeah. And I greatly appreciate it because the solution that you're looking for, the solution that you're looking for, it's right there in one of my audiobooks. Just go through the titles, like, okay, yeah, this is the one that I need. Yeah, let me read this one, listen to this one, and stuff like that. And I guarantee you'll find the solution that you're looking for. I greatly appreciate it. Now let's jump into this video. Pretty much over the years, I got pretty much this kind of like the same email, because different, every year I get new groups of people asking pretty much the same question, and they want to know, okay, what it is about this off-brand person that my ex sees, then that they don't see me. Okay, why do my ex like this person over me? I'm better. But this my ex monkey branch, then monkey ass over there to this person. What it is about this person. Okay, let me tell you, because I'm here to do a service. Don't get this shit twisted. I'm here to do a service. I'm here to do a service. Because most people are like, well, Warren, we friends. I ain't your damn friend. I'm here to do a service. I'm friendly, but I'm not your friend. I'm here to do a service. And the first thing is this. Your ex monkey branch to this other person over here because they monkey ass is gullible. They are 9 times out of 10. If you pay attention, not to say you should, but if you pay attention to the situation fully, and you watch the new person patterns, they hella gullible. The thing that your ex try to do with you, they couldn't get away with that shit. So they monkey branch to someone they could do that shit with. Like, this motherfucker gullible. Yeah, in other words, you might want to say, your ex know who they can do that shit with. Because you know. Yeah, you. Think about it. The things they doing with this other off-brand ass person over and on the other side, could they do that with you? I'll wait. Yeah. Shit. Exactly. Yeah. Who would have paid that bond if your ex tried to do that with you? Yeah. When they let your ass out of lockup, who was gonna be there for you? Cause if they try to do that shit with you, they might gonna lock your ass up. Did you let your ex talk to you any kind of old way? Most people are like, well, I did A through Z through my ex. For my ex. That's on you. The key is, I hear this a lot too, you have to make people earn it. Like, well, we was in a relationship. Did they earn it though? They still have to earn it. You just don't do it for them because they're in a relationship. The motherfuckers gotta earn it too. They gotta earn you. Even if they still have you, they still gotta earn you. And the second reason is this: codependency. Codependency. If y'all read my book by now, you know what book I'm talking about. Because I pre-record my videos. I can't say them in my books already. But if you read my latest book, I have a whole chapter in there about codependency. Your ex or this new painkiller person, one of them motherfuckers is codependent. And by them being codependent, they have a fear. What is that fear? The fear of being alone. The fear of being abandoned. Yeah, so they codependent on your ex, or your ex or the new person might be codependent on them. Why? Because your ex want two type of people. What is those two type of people? The first person they want is a loser. So they can have dominance over that loser. They be like, shut your ass up. Shut up and sit your monkey ass down. Be quiet until I tell you to talk. They want that type of person. Or they want a dominant type of person. A bold ass person. A person that have their life together. They want the dominant bold person because the dominant bold person can make the choices in that relationship and they can't be held accountable for nothing. Nothing. In order for that person to make those type of decisions and be bold like that, they got to have their life together. So they still winning. They want a rich person or a poor person. The two person. The person they don't want is an average person. That's what they don't want. Because an average person lives in reality. And they want to live in fantasy. The average person that probably works a 9 to 5 and have no scheduled life, that person is boring to them. That's the invisible person. They don't want that person at all. How do you know? I've been doing this for so long. Now, the last one and final one is this. They want a person with low self-esteem. That's what they're attracted to. This person got very low self-esteem. I'm talking about, they probably be tricking off their money and stuff like that, paying people to be, paying people for companionship. If you paying for companionship, that's the best way to telling people without saying it with your mouth. I have low self-esteem. I'm less than desirable because you don't want me. You want what I got, my money. Here it is. Because I have no communicational skills and none of that stuff like that. So there you go. Because a lot of time what I see is people talk all day like, oh, this simp this and simp that, But what about these trick ass people over here? Y'all just gonna cut them off, huh? Like, oh, you a simp, you putting a hoe on the bed, you putting a woman on the pedestal, or putting a man on the pedestal, you a simp. Well, tricking simping too. Tricking is the heartbeat of simping. Like, it's the heartbeat. You can't call yourself a player if you paying people, man. Say, man, hey, man, if you gotta pay people to be with you, you less than desirable. You're a simp. Right? How do the other dating coaches and all that stuff say you're a beta male provider and stuff like that? Hey, man. But I will say this. I know this gonna they're gonna crucify me for saying this. They say like the people that get that get it for free, that got charisma and that can talk and all that stuff like that. That can get in somebody's mind and stuff like that. That got charisma, that can talk. They on one road. Then we got the people who have no charisma. They're less than desirable. They're like, well, I got material objects, resources that can do the talking for me. Just say these two people on one road. They're going to those, but the thing is, it don't make sense to bash one another because we all going to the same destination. If that makes sense. What is that destination? The destination is called rearrange somebody's insides. Some people get on that road. There's no tolls, and they just drive straight to rearrange somebody's inside land. And we got on the other side, the people who have no charisma, less than desirable, have to use their resources, lead with their wallet. They have to pay tolls to get to rearrange somebody's inside land. If you know what I'm talking about, leave it in the comments. But overall, let's go do a recap of what I'm saying in this video. One, because they got gullible. That's why they gullible. Yeah, they know to do that shit over there. Yeah, over there. Yeah, way the fuck over there. Yeah, squint your eyes and do this shit right here. Yeah, way the fuck over there. You can do that shit over there. Yeah. Yeah, you can talk to that person that way because they gullible. Yeah. And codependent. Yeah, that person depends on you. Or, your ex might be a leech. How I say, a Klingon. It's the same as a leech. And they codependent. They need that person for survival. Or they have a fear of being alone. So that's why they took their monkey ass over there. Yeah, over there. Way the fuck over there. And the last one is this. They might have low self-esteem. Yeah, they have to use their resources or whatever gadgets or gimmicks or whatever the fuck they got because they have low self-esteem. They feel like I can't do that, or that person out of my league, or without that person I can't have a successful relationship. I don't want to die alone. Yeah, that type of person. Yeah, but what I know, remember, I'm still the bad guy. YouTube not gonna pump my videos. They're not gonna pump my videos. Remember, I'm not here for your, for you to like me. I'm here to do a service. And with that being said, if you like to get in contact with me about my service, you can email me. Yeah, email me or text me on WhatsApp. The number is right there. Yeah, it's worldwide. Yeah, it's worldwide. It don't matter where you at on planet Earth. I'm here for you. Or you can I don't want to talk to your black ass, man. You can take your monkey ass to the links that's in the description and check out one of my audiobooks. Yeah, the solution that you're looking for, I guarantee you, is right there in my audiobooks. Where at? The audiobook. Yeah, the audiobooks. Now, with that being said, I want you to take care of yourself. Stay prayed up and watch out for one another. And mind your damn business. If that shit don't concern you, let it go. Now, with that being said, peace, I'm gone.